All the people. Crazy snow. We just missed Jake. He crawled across our front yard because he couldn't walk. Somebody wants to go outside. Who likes the snow? Riley. 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 Got her nose pushed up against that window. Do you like the snow? You like the snow? Tell me you want to go outside. You want to go outside? What? What? Riley. Where's the puppy? What's up with their little puppy? That little puppy doesn't want to go anywhere near the door. She looks guilty. I should check to see where she's been, huh? But she does not like going outside, does she? She thinks Riley's crazy. You want to go outside, Panda? Huh? Hey, puppy. What? This is a crazy dog. Where'd you go? I can't tape you over there. Get her. Go get it. Look at this poor thing. Oh, good girl. You going potty? I think you did. I want to go check. Don't have to worry about my house. What'd you find over there, Riley? It's over there. Go get it. And where's the little one? Sitting on the deck. Oh, there she goes. Good girl. Uh-oh. That's really deep over there. Oh, it's blowing on me. Back to her comfort zone. Come on, puppy. You have to go potty. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Look at our white dog. She's crazy. Oops, we don't want to get that. Look at them play. Oh, you sound so vicious, Riley. You're nice. Riley, the white dog. Shake it off, Riley.
Don't throw snow at me. You're gonna get the camera. This would not be good. Oh, he ain't getting out of the truck.
Nice out.
I know, it's getting nice out. Look at that. How are those people going to get out of their house? Look at that. Is that crazy?
Holy fuck. Holy shit, I thought mine was high.
Look at that. All the way up to the garage.
Is that older folks?
Yeah, those are the old folks.
Yeah, they're gonna need some.
Well, Ray, Eddie will come home and help him out with the plow.
Your dad, huh? He's sitting in the fucking beach in Mexico.
Yeah, right.
Gets out just in time.
Yeah, he did, didn't he?
He left what, Monday morning?
Tuesday morning.
Tuesday morning.
Yeah, just got out right when it started to snow.
Nice.